Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. Start by opening settings menu, then go to home screen, or go to display and brightness, and to enable dark mode, go to dark mode menu and either enable it for all day by switching this toggle to the right, and then you will constantly have the dark mode enabled on your smartphone, or you can alternatively you can schedule it by selecting the first option and then selecting the start time for the brightness to start working by selecting the time value from this list. Tap OK to confirm and then select the end date or the end time. So let's, for example, set the start to 10 AM, and this way we will enable the dark mode, and it will turn off automatically 6 in the morning the next day. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.